Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I did a video on the Sequoia. I'm in the Sequoia right now and we're having an issue with the blower fan making noise. So I'm gonna show you how to replace the blower fan in the Sequoia when it starts making noise. So first I'm about to switch it on and turn the fan on to show you the noise that it's making. Right up under the glove compartment here, you got a black panel right here, and you have to take this panel off to access the fan. And there's some little clips here. There's no screws in it. It's some little clips that you have to pull, push back, and then pop it down. You got the one right here, one right there, one right there, and this one in this corner right here. So I'll go ahead and get that. It's dark in here, so I don't know how well you can see, but I'll try to set the camera up so I can kind of position it. Okay, by mistake hit time lapse on the actual video, so I didn't get any of this stuff, so I'm gonna have to show you what I did. I pulled the fan out and I'm gonna go back through. I'm gonna switch it on and turn it on so you can see it. See, the blower fan works, but when it moves around, you can see it's shaking a lot, and it's not supposed to do that. So when you put it in place, it's actually hitting the whole housing, and that's what's making all that noise. So I got a new fan to replace it, and that's what I'm gonna put on there. You can see it now. It's wobbling and making a noise. Just remember, the noise is 10 times louder when it's up inside of that housing. All right, I got my brand new blower fan here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in. And let me try to position the camera so that you can see and put it in. All right, I got it in there, and there's a little struggle trying to plug it up, but it'd probably be easier if you plug it in before you actually mount it up. So now we're gonna start it up and test it, make sure there's no sound, and then I'll put the black cover back on. Alright, it's blowing out. And as you see, for here, it's not making no sounds anymore. Let me go ahead and put the black cover over it while I'm here. Again, there's no bolts in the cover, it just snaps up there. And I'll show you how. saw the video of me replacing the AC blower fan, HVAC fan inside of the Toyota Sequoia. I think it works for 2008 to 2016 Sequoia or Tundra. Again, this is a 2012 Sequoia, so if there's any differences, I may not know, but I think the procedure would probably be the same. Click like, comment, subscribe, and share to see more videos of me actually working on not only Toyota Sequoia, but some of the other vehicles that I have on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.